Today's video is going to be taught by my amazing partner.
Hello. Today's video is going to be making eggs. This method was taught to me by a YouTuber. It's very nice. Eggs! Cocoa spray! Turn the dial to 5.
Also known as medium high.
1 egg. You're gonna want to do 2 more eggs, and you want to do it quickly. Doing it quickly means that you can time it easier. You don't want to fuck it up, because if you do, it's terrible. Throw it away! Salt and pepper seasoning! So, we're almost to the fun part. You can tell when that is by when it starts to bubbling and it gets more opaque. Something that I like to do. Oh god, I voice cracked. Something that I like to do, you don't have to, but I like to just sort of take off the edges. It makes taking it off later a little bit easier, and then make a small insertion in the center. This method is primarily for if you want your eggs kind of poached. If you don't like poached eggs, this is not the method for you. But if you do, this is how. We add a bit of water, and then the thing goes on top, whatever this is called. I don't know. Once the lid is on, and it's a lid, you turn the temperature from 5 to 8. Hydration! And it is pretty much done. There's still some water around the edges, but that's pretty much how you do it. Alright. And there we go. See? Beautiful! And before you say anything, yes, this is a lot of pepper in this one specific spot. That shaker sucks. Don't complain to me.